it's been 8 years since I have been in the food industry. I've interacted to a lot of couple of food photographers and stylists. So whenever my interaction with them, they have told me that if your photography is for your social media handle, we need to make it visually appealing. So
Hmm.
if it is for any photographs for delivery platforms, we need to highlight the features of the product, like what do they get out of the purchase. Like if it is a combo, we need to clearly highlight what are all the additional things they get in the combo. So when you precisely mentioned that visual representation is what temptation is what important for a photography, how do we need to actually differentiate social media separately and delivery platform separately, or the visual temptation would appeal to all audience even if it
That's
is a
a
delivery platform?
for the effectiveness. As I said, that you have to go back once you post the pictures. You have to see the number of orders that you were getting before. Are you getting more orders? Are people talking about it? As I said, when they come to your outlet, you could also put up a little poll. Okay, so uh, which product made you come to our outlet? Have you been following us on Instagram? So there are various small ways to understand कि एक shoot effective हुआ है कि नहीं. But please understand, a shoot by itself can never be effective for you to get customers. It is great looking picture combined with great product and your servicing that is going to ensure that you get good footfalls. Yeah.